Oh my god. Is there any wires or alarms?
Watch for carries.
Shit. There has to be an alarm somewhere.
There's no alarm. Jeez. No.
Oh my god. Dude, what the fuck? I never been here, like, when it's not like this, bro.
Me neither. I was in here 2 summers ago. We can fix that shit up. I think I might actually cut us a way out.
Are you serious, man?
I don't think it's gonna work, though.
It's really silent alarm, you think?
Just look for anything that looks like it's emitting a beam.
Stop. Damn. Holy fuck. Help me. Who the hell would have done this? What's in here? Oh, Jesus.
Yo, if we do have to bail out, don't leave anyone behind.
I know.
Okay, this is about as far as this is gonna go.
If they catch us in here, what do you think they would do?
Oh, just gonna do the camps, gonna pick us up. No, we're in deep shit.
The basketball court.
Okay. Yeah. On the way to the court, we gotta play.
No, I did it in fucking 2 seconds, dude. Alright, kill the lights.
Right, oh, actually.
Oh, shit. Alright, kill it now, kill it now.
Take a picture.
Kill it now. No light. No lights, no lights, no lights. Just turn it off. Okay, turn it off. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, bro, I know we're being in here. Stop. Don't go up there. Yo, bro, send me that video or picture. Bro, don't get up here. Wait, let's go.